Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and then acting quickly. First, make sure battery is above 20% and connect to Wi-Fi. This prevents interruptions. Next, open Settings, go to Display then Lock Screen, and turn off any promotional or contextual content toggles you find. This stops many ads at the source. After that, go to Settings right arrow apps and note Motorola branded and recent third-party apps that might inject ads. Identify candidates for disabling or uninstalling so you can remove the ad source. Once done with initial checks, you move into deeper steps to cut ad pathways. Force stop then disable Moto display or Moto actions if they offer lock screen cards. Disabling prevents system promos. Make sure to open notification access and revoke any app that can post on the lock screen. This is often the culprit. If a third-party app shows ads, uninstall it. If you cannot remove it, uninstall updates to revert it to a non-ad state. These actions significantly reduce ad delivery points. Now finish the process and confirm success. Restart the phone so system changes take effect, then check the lock screen closely. If ads still appear, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app is responsible. If they disappear in safe mode, remove recently installed apps. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This removes persistent system bloat or misconfigured profiles. One troubleshooting tip: always try safe mode first. It's faster, preserves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.